What's going on, guys? The HaloXT multi-use flashlight. You wanna know what the best thing about this flashlight is? Other than the fact, glass breaker, magnetic, seatbelt cutter, there's a little blue light here on the solar panel showing that it's charging right now. But what you can do is you can plug the cord in here, whether you're down here with no electricity, camping in the woods, and I can hook my phone up and charge it right here. There it goes. Phone is charging. There it is, guys. The HaloXT multi-use flashlight. 4Patriots. Check out their website. I will post all the links in the description. But this thing is a heavy duty. Has some good weight to it. There you go, solar panel, tons of different colored lights.
It's blue. Ready? Woo! Blue. Done.
Is that an awesome survival flashlight?
Wait. Oh, don't forget this mode. In this mode.
Can you make it turn red?
This mode. This mode is going to be nice and calm.
Hold it up a little bit.
If you want to be this mode, you can turn it into this mode. This is a window breaker.
Alright, here we go. See if you can cut the seatbelt. 2 hands, bud. Oh!
That's way too easy.
That was way too easy.
And it's magnetic.